All right, we're outside about to collect our soil. So now remember, one of the things we have to do as a scientist is that we have to record everything that you do. And in addition to like writing notes in our electronic lab notebook, for us, we also have to take pictures of our experiments. So while you're outside today collecting your soil, you have to take pictures, at least 2 pictures. So you can take as many as you want, then you can pick like the best 2 or the best 3 or 4. That's okay, and I'm going to upload those in a Google slide that I'm going to share with you. And so you can take pictures of like yourself like digging, okay? So you can like have like the shovel whilst you're digging. You can take yourself a selfie like that, and also like have a picture where you have your pots. So either you can have like your pots with you in the picture, or you can just like go directly and take a picture of the pots themselves. And it could be at any stage, when they're empty, when the soil, when you have like half of the pot is filled with the soil, or once it's fully filled up with the soil. You can do anything. You can take any part of a picture of the pot. Just remember that you have to take the pictures, because this is actually part of your grade. Every week your pictures are going to contribute to your grade for this course. All right. Okay, so that's the walkway. And so just like by using the shovel, I just start digging through to kind of get down to like about like 4 to 6 inches. So my soil is a little like on the drier side. If it's wet, it's actually a good thing, because you won't have to add so much water when you're watering the first time. But if it's dry, that's still fine. And then you can use the fork, just like want to like gather like more soil, but it definitely helps like dig it through. Yeah, and then once you get like to like a good depth, you can now just like start collecting. And and it's okay if your soil has like a lot of like rocks and stuff, like that's just like part of it, like that's natural. So for my positive control, I will just use the same location, but I'll just like start a different place. Water, at the end of the day, our goal is to kind of like leave enough space for this like top part here. So your pot has like a little like line here. You want your soil to be below that line, so when you add water, it's going to go down. If it doesn't, then just like remove it. Just like try to level up the soil area where you dug as much as possible. Okay, so I have the pots with the soil from the 2 locations, and now I'm coming back to my lab space and I'm now setting them up. And so the first thing is I got a new set of gloves, and I'm now going to sterilize my gloves and as well as sterilize the area. New set of gloves. I'll sterilize the gloves, and then I'll also sterilize my workspace. So just do it in one direction in the brush. All right, and then let's bring the plants up. Right, so we have our pots with the soil. So the next thing we need to do is like just put water in each of them, and you might have to give them time for the water to kind of like settle, and making sure that every, like, even the bottom part also gets enough water. So you have to probably do this like several times, maybe 2 to 3 times. So I'm gonna do that, and just like get like an ordinary cup or whatever container, and just use tap water.